everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to have a conversation at a restaurant in English. We'll go through some simple phrases you can use when you're entering a restaurant, ordering food, and even asking for the bill. Present the key words and phrases they need to know before the conversation starts. 1, menu, the list of food, drinks available. 2, table for 2, asking for a specific number of seats. 3, order, what you want to eat, drink. 4, appetizer, starter food. 5, main course, the main meal. 6, dessert, sweet food after the main meal. 7, bill, the cost of the meal. Let's look at a conversation.
Hello, I have a reservation for 2.
Welcome. Please follow me to your table.
Thank you. Here's the menu. What would you like to order? I'll have the chicken salad and a glass of water, please. Great choice. Anything for dessert? No, thank you, just the salad.
Asking for the bill.
Could I have the bill, please? Sure, here it is. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Let's break down key phrases. Can I see the menu? Use this when you want to look at the food options. I'd like a table for 2. A polite way to ask for a table for yourself and another person. How much is the bill? When you're ready to pay, this is a common question to ask. Could I have the bill, please? A polite way to ask for the check. Let's start practice section. I will give you few seconds. Just repeat after me. Hello, I have a reservation for 2. Welcome. Please follow me to your table. Thank you. Here's the menu. What would you like to order? I'll have the chicken salad and a glass of water, please. Great choice. Anything for dessert? No, thank you. Just the salad. Could I have the bill, please? Sure, here it is. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. Great job. Now you know how to have a simple conversation at a restaurant. Remember, practicing these phrases will help you feel more confident when you're out in real situations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me about your favorite food or your favorite restaurant. See you next time.